Okay, today we're going to make a smoked chicken sandwich with an Alabama white sauce on it. And I'm going to mix up the sauce for you right now. And it's going to consist of 1 cup of mayo and be a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to pour all this in at once here. The mustard is be a tablespoon of mustard. And a tablespoon and a half of your favorite barbecue rub, and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and the salt and pepper. That would be to taste. And you're going to have a tablespoon of horseradish and a half of tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then the Texas Pete is what we use. And that'll be to taste. And you get it all mixed up in here. And we're going to just season them up with a little bit of the Red Label musket powder. And you can use whatever you would like. I mean, this is your choice. And this is what we like, so. And we'll put them on the grill, or on the smoker, on the Pit Boss smoker, and we'll let them smoke until they're at temperature, and then we'll make our sandwiches. Now we're back. We're going to make our sandwiches here. And this is what we're going to do. I put these on the grill and charred them up a little bit. And we're going to take, I split those chicken breasts once that you've seen, and I'm just going to lay that on there like that. What we're going to do is we're just going to go this way. Oh yeah. We made up some iceberg lettuce. Chopped it up. We'll put a little bit of that on there. Just going to put her down there like that. And there you have it, folks. The smoked chicken with Alabama white sauce, green beans, and bacon. Can't get any better than that.